This is why one of the reasons why we need to get up and move more, right? Exercise elicits a metabolic stress, not just on the muscles, but our heart, all our tissues. And, this sort of prompts the AMP kinase to become activated. And this is one of the initial things that really got people excited about AMP kinase as a potential, exercise signal. And it holds up as a key exercise signal that gets switched on as soon as we start moving into moderate levels of activity.
Yeah, yeah. So AMP kinase very low. It can be basically undetectable in most cells if people are fully sedentary, fully eating the standard American diet. Exercise or fasting will start to turn it on.
So this is the more nuanced view where longer fasting will turn on these transcriptional programs.
Yeah. So if you fast for longer, or to put it more abstractly, if a bigger change happens that requires a more drastic shift in a cell, those shifts often amount to new gene programs getting turned on or off. And to tie this back to some of the fundamental biochemistry stuff we were talking about before, the way that happens in terms of nuts and bolts is something like AMP kinase might go up. We're fasting for 2 days. AMP kinase goes up. It's a kinase that phosphorylates things. One of the things it phosphorylates might be transcription factors, proteins that go into the nucleus and then touch the DNA and start turning on new gene programs. So it sort of all comes back to this energetic patterning within the cell. Something like a kinase, like AMP kinase, will go up. Transcription factors and other things get phosphorylated, they get switched on. They can now start turning on new genes, which basically means the cell can behave differently. It can do things it couldn't do before, or conversely, it might shut down things it could do before. But it's all about passing these phosphates and these sort of switches back and forth to different proteins to dictate what's happening based on what's kind of coming into the cell and what it has to work with from an energy standpoint.